Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today I do have a SHEIN swimsuit haul for you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe, you like, and you comment. Now let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so this is the first swimsuit. I feel like this one is a little big, honestly. I feel like there's just like a lot of fabric here and space. I think it would be more flattering if it was a little more fitted. So I always get everything from SHEIN in a size medium, but I feel like I could definitely have used a small in this swimsuit. I do like how much coverage it gives you though, so for all the mommies out there, I'm a mother, I think this does have a decent amount of coverage, but also is very still cute and sexy and has like a lot of cute aspects to it. There is a little bit of side boob on this one, but you can always just open the cup more to reduce some of that. So I like that it's also like adjustable and customizable. I feel like you can tie it in other ways as well, which is really nice. I decided to tie it around my waist just to give me a little bit more shape and make my waist look a little smaller. But yeah, overall I think this is a cute swimsuit. It would have been better in a size small, but I like the color, I like the print, and I'll definitely still wear this because I actually really like this one. So let's try the next one. Alright you guys, this is the second one. This is a three-piece set. I kind of like this one. I don't typically go for red. Just in general, I don't wear a lot of red, but swimsuits particularly, I don't particularly care for them in red. I don't feel like red does anything for my skin tone, but this one is cute. Again, I probably could have went with a size small. I did end up tying, this tie is supposed to be like a bow in the front, but the strings were so long, I ended up just tying them in the back. Just to, you know, just add another dimension just to my waist or just to the shape of the swimsuit. And I actually like how it looks now with it tied down like this. All the strings on this swimsuit are really long, so I ended up having to like tie this up in a creative way because even this was like hanging long, and I feel like even this string is like hanging, so the strings are definitely long on this one. I do like that it has a cover up because this swimsuit is a thong bikini bottom, so I think that that's perfect, and especially for me, I like to cover up my little baby, my stretch marks from my babies. So I really like that this has a little cover up piece to it. Let's try the next one. Okay, so this is a four-piece set, and I've never had a four-piece swimsuit set, so this is definitely something new for me. When I saw it, I was really loving this look, and now that I have it on, I love it even more. The swimsuit itself is nothing like to write home about, but definitely the little wrap top and the skirt is super cute and adds a flair to the outfit that I really like. It gives you a lot of good coverage because you have these two cover-up pieces, so it almost gives you like it's an outfit, but it actually is a swimsuit. So I love the versatility of this look because I feel like you can definitely go a couple places with it, right? Like you could go on a boat, you can swim, you can go to the beach or the pool, and then still maybe do something afterwards and not feel like you have to run home and change or you just feel too exposed. So I definitely love this look. I absolutely will be rocking this, and this in a size medium actually does feel comfortable. Now I tied this around to the back. Obviously you could tie this around to the front as well. I think it just gave me a little better shape and kind of like gave me a little more definition in my shape with it with it tied to the back, but it's cute to the front as well. And if you wanted to, you don't have to wear it off the shoulder. You could just wear it on your shoulders. You could even probably like wear it open if you wanted your swimsuit to show a little more. You could wear this a little lower down. I mean, there's just a lot of ways you can rock this. For me, that's not as flattering for my shape. You have to figure out what works best for your shape. So for me, higher is always better because my hips are very low and I have a little bit of a belly, but it's low. So you can, you know, work this out for your own taste and liking. But I absolutely love this one. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so this is a really cute cover-up mesh crochet dress. I really like this. It's very, very adorable. I feel like I could wear it with like a slip dress underneath it and actually wear it as a dress. It's very, very, very cute. I like this a lot. I think I would wear it with this bag, or maybe that's too matchy, maybe not. I like it with this light pink swimsuit underneath it. It doesn't necessarily go, but I think it kind of just like coordinates. Maybe I'd wear white underneath it with a white bag and like a white sandal, maybe something like that. But I definitely wanted to show this bag because it's super cute and it has a sound. You can hear it. It's very fluffy and cute, and I think this is going to be a statement bag for me this spring and this summer. It's just something I've never seen before, and I think it's going to catch a lot of people off guard, which I love doing with my style and my fashion. I like to have just a little touch of something unexpected, and I feel like this bag is definitely that. So yeah, you guys, a good thing to know about this is it does have a drawstring in the back so that you can tighten this on your back area. You can tighten it tight enough, and then it also has drawstrings that you can tighten on your arms, because the arms were like really long and hanging and I really wanted them to be a little higher, so I just tied it tighter and pulled it up, and I definitely like how it looks. Alright, so this one is cute, but it's very teeny tiny, and it definitely has a thong back to it, so your whole entire bottom is out. This one is really, really cute. I feel like I could wear this as a bodysuit with like jeans or shorts, and no one would even know it's a swimsuit. It is flattering as a swimsuit though, I'm not gonna lie, but it definitely is showing a lot in the back. But it's very, very cute. I like the mesh. But like I said, it's definitely giving me more like bodysuit vibes, which is cute. And I think it definitely would be cute on the beach, but it maybe would be a little hot because it is like under your underarms. So it may, you know, just be a little bit harder to wear at the beach, but it's definitely a cute look. On to the next one. So this one I really, really like. I love the color of it. It's very neutral to my skin tone. So I really, really like this. And I like that this area is like this nice, like creamy beige shade. I just think the colors of this swimsuit are really, really pretty, and I like the shape of it. I had a swimsuit like this before, so I knew I was gonna like this one, but yeah, I love this one. The one that I had before was black and white, and it was also from SHEIN. So yeah, when I see swimsuits cut like this from SHEIN, I always grab them because I just think they're really flattering and look good, and this colorway is just super cute. I will say that this area feels a little big. I feel like all the bottoms are feeling a little big and the tops are fitting really good. Actually, the top is feeling a little big too. I feel like I probably could have gotten a small. I don't know why the the sizing is seeming like I needed a small on a lot of these, but I always get a medium in SHEIN. I'm always a medium. So I don't know what that's about, honestly, but I'm feeling like I could have got a lot of things in this haul in a small. So if you want to grab this one, just know that the bottoms do have more space in the waist area. I feel like it fits like in the butt area, but the waist just feels a little big. And same here, like the strap around my neck feels good. So I feel like if I had gotten a small, it would feel a little tighter. But this area just feels like it's gapping. And so I'd want it to be a little more fitted. But I like the color combo on this. I like the cutouts. I just think it's a cute one. And I'll definitely be getting my wear out of this one. All right, welcome to the highlighter green show. So this swimsuit is crazy bright, stupid hot, and so uncomfortable. Like, I could never imagine wearing this to the beach. It's hot and I'm literally just here in my house. The sleeves are so tight. Like, it feels like it's sucking my arms, like squeezing my arms. The body of the swimsuit feels fine, but the cups are like all the way up here. So I don't know why the cups of this swimsuit are all the way up here. They need to be down here, but then it like pulls on your neck. It's just a lot going on. The cutout in the back is cute. I like the shape of this, but I would definitely just wear this as a bodysuit in the fall or the winter only because it is extremely hot. It's also very bright. I knew it was going to be bright, mind you. I knew when I saw it was going to be bright, but it's almost like that turn off, like it's a bright that literally like is blinding and it's a turn off. So I don't particularly feel like I will ever wear this, even if I did want to wear it as a bodysuit, because it's just so off-putting. It just looks distasteful in my mind. But I wanted to try it out. Maybe somebody watching will love it and has been wondering about it. It is very, very fitted though. Like the sleeves particularly are uncomfortable. And if you were to wear it, I would say just take the bra cups out because they're in the wrong placement, at least for my body type anyway. But yeah, this is this one. On to the next. So this one is definitely cute for those of us that are willing to show a little more skin. This one is a thong bikini back bottom, so it's definitely going to show more, and it's just a string bikini triangle at the top. So I think these little tassels are really cute. They are just like cut pieces of fabric. So it's definitely cute, but it's an itty bitty swimsuit. Like it's very tiny. I do like the fact that it has these adjustable straps on the side, so you can make the underwears tighter if need be. And I do like the top. I think the top is very, very cute. I feel like this is a swimsuit I would definitely wear it to like Carnival or Juve or something like that. Cause it's cute, but it's like flashy. So I feel like I definitely could wear this as like Monday wear and just put like jewelry on with it or something like that. So yeah, this one is cute. It fits fine. Size medium is fine because these can adjust. Without adjusting them, I don't think it would have fit as good, but I'm glad that these are adjustable. So this one I really don't have any complaints about, but very cute. I like the color and I like the fabric. So this one is really cute. I actually really like this one. I feel like this is a little tight though. And it's probably the way I tied it around my neck. It is a little tight, but I feel like it's also giving me like rolls underneath my underarms, which is crazy. And yeah, it just feels like it's not as stretchy as I'd like it to be. But I definitely like how it looks, and I think the color is really, really pretty. And the fit is definitely different. Like it's a definitely a different looking type of swimsuit. And I definitely like that. Now this is twisted and I tried to untwist it twice. So I'm feeling like it's the way it was sewn. It's twisted like this. So I may have to, you know, cut it and re-sew it to twist it back the right way, because I tried to twist it twice and it wouldn't untwist. So that is something to think about with this swimsuit. But all in all, I think it's cute. It's just a little too small for my taste, but again, I probably could just loosen the necktie a little bit. But overall, I think this one is a cute one. It's giving me like retro vibes and I like that. All right, and this is the last swimsuit. It's definitely very cute, not as stretchy as I would like. I feel like a lot of the swimsuits today are just not as like stretchy as I'd like, which makes them a little less comfortable than I'd like. But this one is very cute. I like it. I think these covers are showing a little too much. I feel like they're a little too pronounced. So to wear this out, I would probably just take these circular cover pads out so it's not as obvious. The fit of this one for me is not like anything super flattering or anything to write home about. But I do love white swimsuits. I wear a lot of white swimsuits, and I feel like when I have a white swimsuit, the tops, usually I can double them as a crop top and incorporate them into my wardrobe as just crop tops. I'm looking at this blazer. A lot of times when I wear this blazer, I'll wear a swimsuit top or a bra top with this blazer, and then it goes into, it starts to just look like, you know, like an actual crop top. And it looks really cute. So see how that looks? Super cute. Or you could wear it with jeans. So I always like to get white swimsuit tops because they can double in your wardrobe as other things. So always keep that in mind. So the strap has adjustments that you can make so that it fits a little tighter, which I think is great. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the swimsuit haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck around for the whole haul, I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload. I am doing a lot more with stories on here. So if you guys like to watch stories, let me know, because I can definitely do more of those. Of course, I do more stories on Instagram, so you should follow me there as well, at Jess Monique Thomas. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.